The TATE Orbital Automatic TIG welding machine is widely used in various industries, including the oil industry, natural gas sector, chemical industry, nuclear energy field, food production, pharmaceuticals, aerospace industry, electronics chip manufacturing, and clean pipeline systems. Today, we'll focus on its application in the chemical and oil industries. This advanced welding machine stands out for its unparalleled precision, efficiency, and reliability. Designed for industries where pipe welding is critical, the TATE machine ensures consistent, high-quality welds every time. In the chemical industry, corrosion-resistant pipelines are essential to transport hazardous and corrosive materials. The TATE Orbital TIG welding machine offers precise, clean welds, reducing the risk of leaks and ensuring long-term durability in harsh environments. Its automated technology eliminates human error, ensuring flawless weld seams that meet the highest industry standards. Similarly, in the oil and gas industries, pipelines must withstand extreme pressure and temperature. The TATE machine's ability to produce strong, leak-proof welds ensures safe transport of oil, gas, and other fuels. Its adaptability allows it to handle a variety of materials, from stainless steel to high-performance alloys, making it a reliable choice for complex projects. We are the original manufacturer of the TATE Orbital Automatic TIG welding machine, offering OEM and ODM services to meet your specific needs. Subscribe to our channel or email us at info@otate.com for more information about this revolutionary machine and its applications across industries.